Hi guys, so today we are making an easy project everybody can do with the required materials. So let's look at what we are dealing with. So the materials are super simple. These two sheets of paper, a scissor and glue. So get started. We are making a simple Karakuri project. Karakuri is a Japanese art form in which we use mechanical parts to move paper objects. So, what is it? Well, it's a simple model power in paw. We have these two sheets of paper. We have cut it. Have cut it, and now let's work on our project. So this is the casing, and as you can see here we have marks to glue. There's a mark, so let's apply some glue here, and if you flip you have the same thing on the other side, and stick like this, and the other piece like this. Now let's keep this aside and work on the mechanism. So you just need to do the same thing. So for this piece, some glue like this, and then stick it. We are waiting for these pieces to dry up. Meanwhile, we can work on this piece. So guys, we have this piece over here. Let's insert it. So now when we turn the shaft, as you can see, it moves up and down in a linear way. So this is literally converting rotational motion into linear motion. Linear motion is this motion. Rotational motion is this motion. So, yeah, that's all it does. And now let's keep the paw here, and let's close this thing off by taking this piece. We just need this piece here to complete the mechanical part. So as you can see, it's totally complete. So as you can see, so let's keep this piece to dry. As it has been set, let's insert this piece through the hole provided over here. Next, let's glue this head onto here. Next, let's glue the back on. In the back you can see a small area to glue here. Let's glue his tail. Now guys, let's roll this paw a bit, and as you can see, this piece, we need to insert it, place some glue like this. Guys, look, our cute kitty is here. Guys, look at it. It's so adorable. So let's call him Kittybot. Hello, Mr. Kittybot. Look guys, we have two cute kitties. Hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to try on this cute little toy and goodbye.